You'll be in a minute.
I am, yeah, thanks. Just doing a thing. Thank you. So I'm here at the D&M Toolshow on the Friday opening day. Doors are just opened, good and busy. Lots of guys here. Always a great show because it lets you get hands-on. I believe Stuart from Proper DIY is already in there, got early access, YouTube royalty. You know what those guys are like. And it's going to be interesting ever since the Screwfix live show turned trade show economics on its head, because they effectively pay you to go. This is going to be a different and a very much more traditional kind of show. No entrance fee, but no registration. I'm going to get inside and have a walk around and we'll see what there is to look at. If you're not familiar with them, D&M Tools is a very well-established tool store in Twickenham and the first independent retailer that I'm aware of to have their own show held at the nearby Kempton Park racecourse. I last visited there in 2018. There's a short clip of that show back then, and I'll link that video down below for anyone interested in a bit of time travel. The show is bigger now and a little bit more polished, but honestly very similar. It's been going for at least a couple of decades, so why change a winning format? All the usual suspects are there, from the big brands and some of the smaller companies too, and it's always great to be able to get hands-on with some of these tools, especially if you're considering a purchase. I was there with some of the 10-Minute Workshop Plus members. Yes, that pay here sign is strategic, and very few of us made it out of there without buying something, and there is lots to see and lots to buy. I spent a bit of time at the festival stand where I had a great demonstration of the new Cordless Domino and highlights of the new features, and I'll let Festival's top demonstrator Gordon take it from here.
Some great new improvements to it. First one is, and you're a festival man, you know all about this.
Yeah, I do.
Green button do on a festival.
It makes things move.
It makes things move.
Yeah.
So in this case, what they've done, these two were always black.
They were.
And like
Because you didn't use them very often, that's why.
People would say to me, you know, why is that black? Don't know. I used to start off making excuses. I've no idea why. But anyway, they're now green, that's helpful.
So that,
Nice thing is that the posts now are clamped on both posts.
yeah, I saw that.
The original one is a single post design.
Yeah.
After a few years, it can move, so you need to tighten it all up. But the nice thing about this is, instead of taking this off to screw it, take the screw out and wind it round,
It's got a...
just pull it out. You've had one. Have you had one already?
No. First time seeing one.
You're welcome to have a go at this.
I will. My Domino's from 2006, so yeah, it's quite an early one. Still going strong.
Have you got the pins on as well?
Yeah, pins, yeah.
So now you've got 4 pins, of course.
Like on the 700.
Like on the 700. 25mm and 37mm. 37 being your cabinet for the pedals and all the shelves and all that.
Yeah.
They do think about things.
Just a little bit, don't they? Yeah.
I bask in the glory of some brilliant minds.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's just the operation's exactly the same.
Yeah.
Same depth setting, same everything else.
Yeah, can I have a go? Thank you.
So you've got the. I'll tell you what. Put it in. I got the 8mm. Let's put it. It's all right. Put it on this one.
I don't have that fancy stuff on my old one. Yeah. On the 700 you do.
So you just put the pin. That's it. And then you go.
That's a steady.
It's nice and flat. I don't think they're the same length of wood actually, but just on the one. So right to left on that one, left to right that one. Tell you what, put that back a bit. Right. So we'll see how good you really are.
Well, you know, so you reckon it's worth getting the newer batteries to go with the new Domino, yeah.
To go with the new Domino, but it would work on any batteries.
Yeah.
You know, and to be fair, I've not tried it with a 3 amp, but certainly we're recommending 4 amp.
Yeah.
And I think also, like you said, with the weight,
Yes, exactly.
It doesn't affect the power, so you don't get any more power output. What it does, it runs for longer, like all these higher amp batteries.
After that, and packages in hand, I managed to catch up with a couple of the guys I know. Robin Clevett was there. This is where the professionals hang out.
Hello, mate.
What are you doing? You right?
Hey, sorry.
Good.
Peter, you're not good.
Yeah. Thanks, nice to meet you. James, nice to meet you. Hello, Ed, you all right?
Yeah,
God, you're tall.
And this is Joshua Lewis.
Hello, mate.
Fine.
How are you?
Peter Miller.
And also the elusive Stuart from Proper DIY. Stuart,
That's what I want.
good show.
This is a very good show.
There you go. That's close to the devil, isn't it? Other than the fact that I've met Stuart Proper DIY. So I'm just back from the show. I'll be taking a look at the Domino in due course, but I just wanted to say thanks so much to everyone who came up to say hello while I was there. The show's well worth the visit if you're within striking distance. It runs through the weekend, finishes at 4 p.m, this Sunday the 12th. I'll leave you with a quick walk around of the ground floor, followed by the first floor where all the hand tools are. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the D&M Toolshow. I know Stuart at Proper DIY is planning a much more in-depth look at the event, and I'll link to his video when it's out, but I'll call this one done for now. Thanks ever so much for taking a look. If you go to the show, have a great time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
Today, and then when you've got your receipt, you just go online.
Yes, sir. Over here. What sizes? Are you looking for something into an SDS
Bits and bobs, it's great.
Welcome on.